All right, today I got a really good Zippo. Let's take a quick look at it. Now this one came in the normal Zippo black box, and all it says on the label is Skull, made in Bradford, PA. It's a genuine Zippo. And there is another Punisher Zippo. This is a really good one. It's on a black matte finish, and it was made in, looks like, A of 18. Good stampings on this one. It's got a steel insert, and it lights up fairly good. Pretty good sound. Let's do a drop test on the Punisher. Give it a little punishment. A lit drop test. Okay, so the Punisher can take the punishment of a lit drop test. I have a couple of Punisher Zippos. All of them are really nice. And that Punisher deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.